Welcome to a MainlyDIY.com video.
Hi, today we're going to make a little angel, and I'm going to start with a butterfly paper clip. So I am going to take some ribbon that's quite narrow. This is an 1/8 inch ribbon, and I'm going to cut off, probably about that much, probably 16, 18 inches, something like that. You can always trim it off later, but I want to make sure that I have enough. So I am going to fold that in half and put it from the back side through to the front side, right in the center hole of my clip, so right like that. And then I have this fold in my ribbon, and I'm going to feed my two ends up through there and just pull it tight. And then you can decide which side you want to be the front or the back. I just flipped it over. Doesn't really matter too much. And then we're going to feed on a snowflake bead. Okay. And I have a little tip for you for threading the beads on. You can just, I could do it by threading it through the bead one at a time. But what I'm going to do is take a simple needle thread. For regular sewing, this is just an inexpensive one. Put the bead on it, and then I can feed my ribbons through. Let's try them both at the same time here. I said we're going to try them both at the same time here. Oops. Well, I've got one threaded through, and then we'll thread the other one through the wire also. Here we go. Okay, so then we can just pull the bead off the end of the wire, the needle threader on the wire there, and gently pull that through. Take my threader off, and then we have a little collar, if you will, for our angel. And then we're going to take a little head that we have here, and this has a pretty big hole in it, so I am just going to try feeding both of my ends of my ribbon through it. And I like to do it at the same time if I can, because why do something twice if you don't need to? There we go. Okay. So we've got the little head on there, and now we're going to go ahead and put another snowflake on there. So again, I'm just putting it over the wire of the needle threader. Just don't know if you can see that wire, it's pretty fine. And then I'm going to thread both ends of my ribbon through there. Oops. I think I have a little sticky on one of these ribbons. So we'll thread both ends through there and then pull the bead off, and I'm kind of hanging on to the wire so I don't break it. And they are really inexpensive. I think I got 3 for 50 cents or something like that. And so we have her little crown on there, and then I'm just going to tie a knot on the top of that, just kind of hopefully to hold her down in place a little better. Just a simple knot. And then I'm going to bring my ends together, and I'm going to decide how long I want my hanger, and I will wrap that around and make a knot there, and I am going to trim off these ends. And I have a pretty little angel all done. So here I have my angel all done. She has a little hanger on her, and I think she's adorable. Since it was so quick to make this angel, I thought I'd make another one, but I'm going to use a different size butterfly clip, a lot smaller, And I'm just going to use a pearl head, and I think I'm just going to use the one snowflake bead for the crown. So I am taking a length of ribbon, still pretty much the same length of ribbon that I used before, because that's my hanger. So I am folding that in half, and I am going to stick that right through from the back to the front, through that center hole, and just pull it up through here. There we go. And then I decided I like this side to be my front because I like to see that little fold. So I am going to take my bead, and I am going to, my needle threader is too short for that. So I am going to have to find another solution. Okay, so we tried to use our regular needle threader, and found that it wasn't long enough to go through the ball, so I needed to find a different solution. So I'm going to try out some dental floss, see if that will do the trick for me. And I'm going to put those two ends together, and this is wax dental floss, so I'm hoping that may be beneficial to me. I'm going to try to put both ends through at the same time. I see one end is kind of frayed, but so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half and put the fold through and see if that works out better for me. Let's see, where'd the hole go? And that doesn't, because it's not stiff enough to do it. So I'll come back to trying the ends, but what I'm going to do is retrim that, because that frayed one is going to give me a problem. So I'm going to just nip that right off, and we will try again. Okay, there are the two ends. So I am going to open that loop up and feed my ribbon through it. And I actually am going to put my snowflake on there as well. So let's see if I can get those two ends through my snowflake. This one's a lot smaller than my previous one, so I've got one end through. Okay, there's both ends through. Okay, let's put those up close together. And then I'm going to put my ribbon through that hole. Say, here's my dental floss. So I've got this loop on the end of it. And I'm going to put my ribbon through there. Okay. And then I should be able to pull the ribbon up through. I did through the ball first. It was a little bit of a tight fit, but it went through. And I am going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull on the snowflake. That went a lot easier. And then I'm just going to pull my end of my ribbon right out. There we go. Okay. Alright, so we have that. So I am again going to tie a knot in the end. This just helps keep the head right down closer to the body. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie a knot up here closer to my ends. There we go, and I'll clip that off. Okay, now if I decide that that's too long, then I can tie another knot in here and shorten it up, but I'm going to leave it long because I'm not quite sure where I'm going to hang them yet. So here we have a large angel and a small angel. Thank you for joining me. I hope you are enjoying our crafts and other projects at mainlydiy.com, and I hope you'll come back to us soon, and please like us and share us with all your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Welcome to a mainlydiy.com video.